Have you ever wondered why do we keep saying in a conversation? Maybe you do it yourself. Maybe you use a lot of while you're talking to somebody, while you're sharing your idea, while you're giving a presentation. Maybe you have heard anyone else using a lot of in a conversation. And let's agree to this that as listeners, it becomes really annoying if somebody is using a lot of and ums in the conversation, right? So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you three practical and very easy steps on how you can reduce the number of ers you use in your conversation. Trust me, these three are magical steps. They are easy, they're simple, they're practical. Okay? आपको अभी instantly result मिलेगा अगर ये तीन steps आप apply करेंगे. Alright. So first of all, let's understand that why do we use a lot of ers and ums in a conversation? पहले तो ये समझते हैं. See, whenever our brain does not get the right word, whenever our brain does not get an appropriate word to express our idea, to express our opinion, it struggles to get a word, then it automatically tries to fill in the gap, it tries to fill in the silence by using by using any other filler word. जब भी आपके दिमाग को नया वर्ड नहीं मिल रहा होता कि मैं कैसे अपना आइडिया एक्सप्रेस करूं, क्या वर्ड यूज करूं, तो साइलेंस को फिल इन करने के लिए हम बोल देते हैं या फिर हम there are other people who use different filler words. For example, you must have seen a lot of people use you know a lot. So every now and then, every 5 to 7 seconds, they'll keep on repeating. You know this, you know. So they'll keep on repeating that word. For some people, their filler word is generally. So generally this, generally that. For some people, it's basically this, basically that. My filler word is right. I say right a lot. So it's my filler word. So I hope the concept is clear. We use the ers and ums, we use the filler words to fill in the gaps, to fill in the silences, right? That's why we use ers and ums in a conversation. Now, how to overcome it, how to reduce the number of ers you use in a conversation. अच्छा, इससे पहले कि हम ये बात करें कि कैसे रिड्यूस करना है, एक और बात समझते हैं कि क्यों ज़रूरी है इसे रिड्यूस करना. See, when I use a lot of ers and ums in a conversation, I look less confident and I look less believable. Trust me, I can give you a demonstration here. Just look at me and I will use a lot of in my conversation. And tell me, how do I look? Alright, let's go. Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about how to overcome the number of ers and ums you use in a conversation. And I'm going to share 3 steps. See, did you see that? Did you see that? How annoying that is? And also, it doesn't make me look confident. It doesn't make me look believable, right? So it's very important that we reduce the number of ers and ums that we use in a conversation, right? All right. Having said this, again, a very important point that I want to share with you is that it's also absolutely normal. It's a human thing to use ers in a conversation. बहुत human thing है ये, right? Every now and then, every here and there, maybe once in a minute, everybody can use it's okay, it's not a crime. But the problem arises when I keep repeating every 5 to 7 seconds, right? तो problem ये नहीं है कि आप 1 minute में एक बार बोल रहे हो, हर कोई बोलता है, it's a human thing. But if you keep repeating that ers and ums in a conversation every 5 to 7 seconds, then it's a problem. Got it? Alright, now let me share very, very quickly, let me share the 3 steps that you will take to overcome, to reduce the number of ers and ums you use in a conversation. Step number 1, please grab your notebook and pen and write this down. This is going to change the way you sound. I promise you that. It's going to change the way you sound. Alright? So the first step is called reduce your rate of speech. Reduce your rate of speech. See, when I reduce my rate of speech, my brain gets a little extra time to process the information and to find out a word that I want to use. Right? जब मैं अपनी rate of speech को कम करके बात करती हूँ, तो मेरे दिमाग को थोड़ा सा time मिल जाता है information को process करने के लिए और मुझे word मिल जाता है बोलने के लिए. So I will use less ers and ums in a conversation. So reduce your rate of speech. I'll give you a practical example here, right? सो ये थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक एग्जाम्पल है, थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक इलस्ट्रेशन है, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू टू ड्राइव दिस कॉन्सेप्ट होम. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिकली करके बता रही हूँ, राइट? So when I reduce my rate of speech, see, I have dramatically reduced my rate of speech. So obviously my brain gets the time to process information and think of the word that it wants to say. Right? So when you reduce your rate of speech, आपके दिमाग को टाइम मिल जाता है वर्ड सोचने के लिए, and the number of ers you use will reduce automatically. राइट? तो मैंने जो इलस्ट्रेशन आपको जो एग्जाम्पल अभी दिखाई वो थोड़ी सी ड्रामेटिक है, मैं मानती हूँ. आपको उतना ड्रामेटिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट रिड्यूस योर रेट ऑफ स्पीच. दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ अर्स यू यूज इन अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. दैट्स नंबर 1. ऑलराइट, नंबर 2, second thing that you can use is take pauses. Pauses are very powerful. I don't know why people are so afraid of pauses. लोगों को बहुत generally डर लगता है pauses use करने से, because most of the people think that if I take a pause, people will think that I have forgotten my lines. People will think that I am not confident. No, it's not true. It's not true. If you take a deliberate pause, if you take a conscious, a strategic pause, then you are actually going to look more confident. You're actually going to look more believable, right? So take pauses. Let me tell you how it is going to help you reduce your number of ers. So from last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, I don't know, depending on your age, you have been using in a conversation, right? So your mind is trained, your brain is trained. Then whenever I don't get a word, I say right? Now we have to retrain our mind. Now we have to consciously, deliberately retrain our mind. What do we have to retrain? We have to retrain our mind that whenever I feel like saying take a pause. Whenever I feel like that I am not getting a word, what should I say? Take a pause. Let me again give you an example how this is going to look like. Let's start. Hi guys. So today we are going to talk about how we can reduce the number of ers and ums that we use in a conversation. Did you see that? Did you notice that? That I take slight pauses, a microsecond pauses. Instead of saying, hi guys, I'm going to say, there's a lot of difference. So consciously, deliberately train your mind that whenever I feel like saying, take a pause. Whenever I feel like saying, take a pause. Consciously, deliberately retrain your mind, right? That's number 2. थर्ड स्टेप. अब इसके बिना कहानी पूरी नहीं होगी, इसके बिना आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगा. सो लिसन टू दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली एंड अप्लाई इट. थर्ड स्टेप इज कॉल्ड record yourself. Please, how will you know that you are getting benefit out of these 2 tips? Okay, you will only know when you record yourself. So the third step is called take your phone, turn on your camera, place it at a little distance where you can observe your body language and start speaking on any random topic. किसी भी टॉपिक पे बात करना शुरू कर दीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ वॉज योर डे, talk about your friend, talk about your family, talk about the meal you had, it was good, it was not good, talk about your favorite holiday destination, talk about anything and record yourself and apply these tips while you're speaking. Interesting, right? Apply these tips while you're recording yourself, while you're speaking. Reduce your rate of speech, take pauses. And अगर आप ये करते हो, you'll be so surprised that you were able to reduce the number of ers you use in a conversation. Because these steps are certain to work. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि ये चीज़ें काम ना करें. इन्हें काम करना ही है. They are meant to work. They are certain to work. The only thing that is required on your part after watching this video is turn on your camera, take up your phone, turn on your camera, record yourself, apply these tips, and then tell me that, oh my God, it changed the way I sound. Because it's going to do that. It's going to do that. Alright, that's about it. Please do try this. मेरी हर वीडियो में ये इंटेंशन रहती है कि जो भी मैं बताऊँ उससे आपको बहुत फ़ायदा हो. उससे आप जैसे कम्युनिकेट करते हो वो बेटर हो जाए. आप एक बेहतरीन, एक कॉन्फिडेंट कम्युनिकेटर बन सको. सो प्लीज डू ट्राई दिस, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, डू नॉट फॉरगेट दैट, एंड यस, कमेंट्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, आपको टिप्स कैसे लगे, और अगर आपने अप्लाई किया और आपको रिजल्ट मिला तो आके वो रिजल्ट, प्लीज शेयर दैट रिजल्ट विद मी इन द कमेंट्स. I'll feel very, very happy about it. And let's have a little interaction in the comments, right? Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.